Welcome to BBQ 101. And today we took a road trip. We're in Jamestown, and we've been trying to get here for a long time. We're at the Black Powder Barbecue. Look around. This used to be a gas station, and they converted it into a restaurant. And about a year ago, at one of the GOP fundraisers, I got a chance to try this barbecue. I've been wanting to come here for a long time. So today we thought we would make a trek. So we're down here, and we've got pulled pork sandwich, coleslaw. Their baked beans are world famous. And then Julia's got baked beans, and then the mac and cheese. Their mac and cheese is baked. You can tell that it's been cooked. And Emma has fries and tenders is what she's going to eat. Okay, so we're going to try this, and we'll come right back, and we're going to show you what this is like. So we're going to try the food, and y'all know me. I'm going to have it on a bun, and I had to ask for mayonnaise because I had to have essence of life in my food. Okay, so without any sauce on it. Hickory flavor, hickory smoke flavor, it's all throughout the meat. One more. Very good. Doesn't disappoint. Full of flavor. Fantastic. I want y'all to see the beans. They're known for these baked beans. There's like 5 different types of beans in there. Pintos, kidneys, Octobers, black beans. And it's a good flavor with onions and peppers in it. I came here for the beans. Now, y'all know me, I love barbecue. But I tried this a year ago, and the beans were the highlight of the entire event. The barbecue is good. There's several different sauces that you can try. The dip, the mop, the heat, and then the house. And I like the house. The house is very good. You got to come in and try this. The atmosphere is fantastic. As you look around, kind of a diner style. These picnic tables and big open seats that you can just sit down on benches. It's a nice place. A little hard to get into because of the parking. The parking is a little difficult. So you gotta be a little persistent when you want to park. But you need to come try this. This is a great place to come. They've got a good business model here, and that's great. So we'll come right back in a minute. Okay, so we've eaten now, and we're going to have some leftovers we'll take back with us. But just to recap, Black Powder Barbecue in Jamestown. And remember, like and share down here below. And we're going to put a link on there for the company. They're on Facebook as well. It doesn't disappoint. It's worth your time. If Julie will pan around, you'll see the crowd is almost out the door now. So get here early. The parking's a challenge. As I said, you have to park across the street. There's a church and a park, and you can park. But it's hard to park on site. But it's worth it. It's worth your time. Good choice of sauces right here that you can try from, and the sandwiches, the barbecue, it doesn't disappoint. Julie didn't eat all hers. She's going to take it back with us. But having leftovers is not a bad thing. So, again, they're not open on Mondays and Sundays, so you got to come Tuesday through Saturday, and it's worth your time. Thank y'all for watching BBQ 101. See y'all.
Emma, was the food good? Yeah.
Did you like it? Did it taste good? Speak up so she can hear you. Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put your drink down.
Put your drink down here. Let me hold your drink. Would you come back and eat again here? Okay. Well, you like the chicken tenders? How about the fries? Are they any good? Yeah. Was anything wrong or bad? No? Then nothing was wrong?
You're all good?
Okay. All right.
All good? Thumbs up.
Say, hey, Mom and Daddy. Okay. Okay, so we're at the Black Powder Smokehouse in Jamestown, North Carolina. And thank y'all for watching Barbecue 101. This has been a great experience. If you get a chance, this is where you want to go. Go try this place out. It does not disappoint. Thank y'all for watching.